It's the most wonderful time of the year. This festive season reminds us that this is a time for filling our lives with friends, family, celebration, and good food. Speaking of good food, I'd like to share with you the recipe of a pretty little sweet that you are bound to fall in love with. Hi, I'm Mariana. Welcome to Mama's Mamam. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for coconut ice sweet. Biting into those lovely soft layers of pink, white and yellow will get you into an instant festive mood. So without further ado, let's get cooking. These are the ingredients you will need. You can find the list in the description below. To begin with, I have taken a large bowl and I'm going to fill it up with desiccated coconut. Now empty the icing sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. This should be enough, and then pour in the condensed milk. Make sure not to leave any of the milk in the tin. You can use gloves to mix all the ingredients together, but I am more comfortable using my bare hands to do the mixing. Now that the dough is ready, let's add color to it. I'm going to use 2 containers and make 3 parts of the dough. For this part, I won't be adding any food color. I'm going to leave it as it is. For the second part, I'll add yellow and pink for the third part. Drop in a few drops of the pink food color and mix it into the dough. You can add in a few more drops depending on how colorful you want it to look. Before you add color to the next dough, make sure you clean your hands to remove any remains of the pink color. I'm adding a few drops of yellow. I want the sweet to look nice, bright and festive, so I have chosen these colors. I am going to use this tray as a mold to flatten the dough. Use a tray or container that has no rounded corners to get perfect square shapes. Grease the base of the tray before lining the parchment paper to avoid the paper from shaking while you try to level the mold. I have already lined the tray with parchment paper. This helps to keep the sweet from sticking to the tray. I am starting with the white dough for the base. Once the white dough is leveled out, let's go forward with the next layer. I am going to make 2 parts of this. We'll make use of the other part later. Continue to do the same by spreading it over the white dough with your fingers. To make it easy, you can also lift the parchment paper from the tray and use the chapati roller to flatten the dough evenly. It's a fun sweet to prepare, and if you have small kids, you can definitely try out this recipe with them. I'm going to do the same with the yellow dough, just using half of it for now. Press it down to the sides with your fingers. Maintain a good thickness, not too thin, not too thick. Once it's nicely settled, let's use the remaining part to get a new color combination. I'm going to use the yellow dough as the base, and on top I'll use the pink dough. It's finally ready to be refrigerated. Keep it in the fridge for about 2 hours till it gets firm before cutting it. I'm going to cut it into bite-sized cubes. Use a sharp knife because it's going to be hard while cutting it. Now I'm making the third cut in such a way that I end up with 2 colors on one piece. You can try it like this or stick to a single color on each piece. You can make markings on the sweet just before cutting it to ensure you don't end up with uneven sizes and to avoid any wastage. Now it's time to decorate the sweet, so I have got some chopped pistas to top the sweet. I think the green color of the pistas really goes well with yellow and pink and also adds a bit of flavor. Finally, time to sprinkle it with some desiccated coconut. And there you go. This is a very simple and easy recipe, and it won't take longer than 15 minutes to prepare. You will get around 1 kg of this beautiful sweet, and it is a wonderful sweet dish to make for any festive occasion. Share with us your feedback and any doubts regarding this recipe in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button. To stay up to date with my latest videos and cool cooking tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.